Have you ever noticed how much you move each day? Walking, bending, reaching. These simple actions are called mobility. Good mobility means moving freely and without pain, letting us enjoy life and stay independent. As we age, our bodies naturally get stiffer, and daily tasks can feel harder. But this doesn't have to be your story. Like a car left unused, our bodies get stiff if we don't move them regularly. Stretching is a simple way to keep your muscles and joints healthy. You don't need special equipment or a gym, just a few minutes at home. This guide will show you how a daily stretching routine can help you feel better and move more easily. We'll teach you easy stretches for anyone, designed to relieve aches and improve mobility. Make stretching a daily habit, like brushing your teeth. It's a small investment of time for a big reward, a body that feels better and moves with ease. Let's start this journey to a more comfortable, active life. One gentle stretch at a time. Remember, your body is made to move, not to stay still. Even small changes can make a big difference. You have the power to improve how you feel every day. Stretching helps you stay active, independent, and pain-free. Don't wait for stiffness to slow you down. Start moving now. Your future self will thank you. Let's get started and discover how good it feels to move well. Ready? Let's begin. Your journey to better mobility starts here. Stretching is a daily check-in with your body. Like a rubber band, muscles stay flexible and strong when gently stretched often. Sitting for long periods makes muscles tight, especially in the hips and legs, leading to discomfort. A few minutes of stretching each day can undo this tightness and help you feel better. When you wake up stiff, your body naturally wants to stretch, so give it what it needs. Stretching increases blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. You don't need to be an athlete or super flexible to start. The goal isn't to touch your toes on day one, it's simply to begin. Consistency is where the magic happens. Each day you'll go a little further and feel a little better. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can improve your mobility and melt away tension. Make stretching a simple, daily habit. Your body will thank you. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the results. Stretching is for everyone, no matter your age or ability. Begin today and notice the difference. Stretching improves flexibility and mobility, making daily movements easier. It relieves common aches and pains by releasing muscle tension. Gentle stretches for your hips and hamstrings can ease lower back pain. Stretching also improves posture by balancing tight and weak muscles. Good posture reduces stress on your spine and helps you breathe deeply. Taking time to stretch each day is a simple act of self-care. It calms your mind, lowers stress, and can even help you sleep better. Just a few minutes can make a big difference in how you feel. Stretching is a powerful tool for both body and mind. Make it part of your daily routine. Enjoy the benefits every day. Before stretching, warm up your muscles with a few minutes of light activity, like walking or gentle arm circles. Find a quiet, comfortable space with enough room to move. Use a mat or soft rug for comfort if you like. Stretching should never be painful. Feel a gentle pull, not sharp pain. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Some days you'll feel more flexible than others, and that's normal. Breathe slowly and deeply during each stretch. Inhale as you get into position. Exhale as you deepen the stretch. Deep breathing helps your muscles relax and keeps your mind calm. Focus on your breath to turn stretching into a moving meditation. Prepare your body and mind for a safe, effective routine. Enjoy the process and stay present. Now, let's get ready to stretch. Our necks and shoulders hold a lot of tension, especially from stress or screen time. Start with the neck tilt. Sit or stand tall. Tilt your right ear toward your right shoulder and hold for 20-30 seconds. Repeat on the left. Next, try the neck rotation. Turn your head gently to the right, hold, then return to center and repeat on the left. These moves release tightness and improve neck mobility. For shoulders, do shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, roll them back and down. then reverse. Repeat 5 to 10 times each way. This loosens the upper back and shoulders. Try the cross-body shoulder stretch. Bring your right arm across your chest, use your left hand to gently pull it closer, and hold. Switch arms. This targets the back of your shoulder, great for anyone who types or uses a mouse. Each stretch should feel gentle, not forced. Breathe deeply and relax into each movement. These simple stretches can relieve stiffness and prevent headaches. Make them part of your daily routine for lasting relief. Even a few minutes can make a big difference. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Focus on slow, controlled movements. Notice how your body feels after each stretch. Consistency is key for lasting results. Stretch daily to keep your neck and shoulders pain-free. Enjoy the release of tension. Move on to the next area when you're ready. Now, let's stretch the upper and middle back. Try the seated cat-cow. Sit on a chair, hands on knees. Exhale, round your spine and tuck your chin. Inhale, arch your back and lift your chest. Repeat 5-10 times. This movement increases spine flexibility and feels like a gentle massage. Next, the overhead reach. Sit or stand. Interlace your fingers, reach arms up, and gently bend to each side. This stretches your sides and decompresses your spine. For your chest, use the doorway stretch. Place forearms on a door frame, elbows below shoulders. Step forward until you feel a stretch across your chest. Hold for 20-30 seconds, breathing deeply. These stretches counteract slouching and open up your posture. Move slowly and breathe with each stretch. Focus on how your back and chest feel. Regular practice keeps your spine healthy and mobile. Add these to your routine for a balanced upper body. Let's move on to the lower back and hips. The lower back and hips are your body's foundation. Try the knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back, pull one knee to your chest, hold, then switch sides. For a deeper stretch, pull both knees in and gently rock side to side. To stretch hip flexors, kneel on one knee, other foot forward, and gently press hips forward. Hold, then switch sides. For tight hips, do the figure 4 stretch. Lie on your back, cross one ankle over the opposite knee, and gently pull the lower leg towards you. Switch sides. Each stretch should feel comfortable, not forced. Breathe deeply and relax into the movement. These stretches relieve tension and support your lower back. Make them part of your daily routine, especially if you sit a lot. Consistency will improve your flexibility and comfort. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Enjoy the release in your hips and lower back. Let's keep moving down to the legs and ankles. Flexible legs keep you moving with ease. For hamstrings, try the seated hamstring stretch. Sit with one leg extended, hinge forward gently, and hold. Switch legs. For quadriceps, do the standing quad stretch. Stand, hold your ankle behind you and gently pull your heel toward your buttock. Switch legs. For calves, use the wall calf stretch. Step one foot back, press heel down, and bend the front knee. Hold, then switch. Don't forget your ankles. Sit, lift one foot, and make slow circles with your ankle. Switch sides. These stretches improve flexibility and prevent pain. Move slowly and breathe deeply. Hold each stretch for 20-30 seconds. Good leg and ankle mobility supports balance and daily movement. Add these stretches to your routine for healthy, strong legs. Even a few minutes a day makes a difference. Focus on gentle, controlled movements. Notice how your legs feel after stretching. Consistency leads to lasting results. Keep your legs and ankles happy and mobile. Stretch daily for the best benefits. Your body will thank you. Now let's talk about making stretching a habit. Building a new habit starts with simplicity. Begin with just 5 minutes and a few stretches you enjoy. Consistency matters more than duration. Link stretching to an existing habit, like after brushing your teeth or before morning coffee. Keep your stretching space ready and inviting. Make it a pleasant ritual, not a chore. Progress takes time. Celebrate small victories. Some days you'll feel stiff, others more open. That's normal. The goal is to feel a little better each day. Listen to your body and be patient with yourself. Remember why you started, to move with ease and enjoy life more. Keep moving, keep stretching, and enjoy the benefits. Your body will thank you every day.